It was raining yesterday. A lot of people were panicking, worrying.
And even canceled their events
canceled
already.
their events. I said, we are not canceling ours. There will be sun.
True.
Yes. And so there is, right?
So let's manifest.
Yeah. I would tell people, I sang that song, and then I would sing it to them. But then eventually I revealed that
Sample.
it was like, gusto ko, galaw na ganyan. Okay, but I didn't know what Hiraya Manawari was until Batara actually told me what it was. Hiraya Manawari. Ano ba yung Hiraya Manawari?
Well, Hiraya Manawari is basically isa siyang phrase or isa siyang sinasabi natin para mag-manifest. Like Hiraya is like an old way of saying na sana mangyari. So may divine, may spiritual may spiritual concept siya.
Yeah.
So Hiraya Manawari, parang ipinagpasa Diyos mo na sana mangyari.
Ang alam ko sa Hiraya Manawari, yung show sa TV.
Oo.
Pero hindi ko alam na yan pala.
Ikaw ba yung
meaning.
kumanta nun?
Ako yung kumanta nun. Paminsan.
Paminsan.
Oo, sinasabi ko kunwari.
Pero yeah,
hindi
so
talaga.
Hiraya kasi is like sana mangyari, pero more like mas malalim siya.
Mas
Na
malalim.
parang sinagsasubmit ka dun sa sense na magmamanifest siya kasi nagka-trust ako dun sa faith ko. Kay God, kay whoever man yung kung kanino ka nagkakaroon ng trust
So
sa
Filipino
universe.
thing to?
Yes, it's a very Filipino thing. It's an
Okay.
ancient Tagalog word. So ngayon ginagamit natin yung ang Hiraya Manawari bilang sana mangyari.
Sana mangyari.
Pero yung Hiraya Manawari kasi hindi lang siya sana.
Oo.
Like naglalagay ka pa ng feelings na
More.
talagang yes, na parang
Ito na to. This is
correct.
it.
And you're
Ganyan.
submitting it to the divine.
Ay,
ganon.
submission. Love it. So, sabay-sabay natin sabihin, 1, 2, 3.
Hiraya Manawari!